36 roller screen production process. Prepare the required profile and insert the magnetic strip mesh box mounting fixer. Assembly shaft. Profile hole pressing. Mark and cut profiles for bevel angles. Cut the drawstring and thread it into the handle and fixed angle. Drawstring through the drawstring buckle. Profile installation fixed angle and fixed drawstring buckle. Assemble the frame and adjust the drawstring. Measure and cut the mesh. Use double-sided tape to temporarily secure the winner strip to the mesh. Sew storm strips and mesh. Thread the mesh into the round tube. Thread the mesh into the tie rod. Fixed mesh. Cut off excess wing strips. Sand in uneven areas. Load the round tube into the mesh box and install the rotating shaft. Test the rotating shaft. Fit the mesh box into the frame and adjust the drawstring again. Install plastic strips on the handle. Complete installation.